Hi everyone, and welcome to Happy Place Creations. I have a surprise for you today. I have a new mold, and this is a snowman trinket box, and we're going to make this today. So let me get some supplies together and I will be right back. Alrighty, I have my eyebrow switching sponge. And I have chosen the, don't know if I'm saying this right. I will put it up on the screen. So I'm not even going to try to pronounce who this is from. But I'm using the Glitter Deep Blue for the band on his hat and his scarf. The Glitter Deep Black for his hat, mittens, buttons, eyes, mouth. Deep Blue Pearl for his overall color of his skin. Glitter Deep Red for his cheeks. Nacarat Orange for his nose. And the Red Brown for his broom, which is like a copper color. So let's begin. And I'm going to put on my new gadget I have here, which goes around my neck. It is a big magnifier. So I'm going to be wearing this while I am coloring him. And I don't have, yes, I do have. And how this comes, it comes in a box. I got this on Temu, and this is fantastic. What this is a neck-wearing magnifying glass. The box open, there you go. And it comes like this in the box, and then you just take it out of the box and you adjust it to how you're going to wear it. You don't have to hold it, it's around your neck. I am so sorry. Apparently when I reached for that magnifying glass, I had hit the button and now realized I wasn't recording. But this is what I've gotten so far. I've done his broom and I'm doing his scarf. So let me continue on with what I'm doing. I had showed you the brush technique to clean up with. So now I will show you again how I use the brush for cleaning up as soon as I get done with his scarf. But you can also use the Q-tips and the micro brushes to clean up. And I'm just using this alcohol dispenser that they normally use on a makeup counter. So as far as the brush technique, just put a little bit of alcohol on it. And then you just use it like you would the Q-tip. And just swipe it and then wipe the brush. And that will clean off the mica powder as well. The only thing with the brush is it can leave a lot of alcohol behind, but it will evaporate fairly quickly, or you can wipe it off with a paper towel. And don't worry if you happen to wipe away any of the mica powder where you've already painted, because you can just put it right back on. Alrighty, we're all cleaned up, we're all colored, we're all ready to go. All I need to do now is mix up some resin and get it poured. And I'm going to do that, and I will be right back. Alrighty, I have our resin all mixed up, and this is that Jan Chung Fast Cure resin. Look how clear that is. I mixed it for 5 minutes and then I put it in the vacuum chamber. And I'm going to use this ocean white for the color in this box. And I'm hoping I mixed up enough. So I am just going to put a bunch in there. I don't want to use a black because then it's going to dull our colors. So I decided to use the white. And it doesn't have to be a strong white, just enough to tint. And it's tinting beautifully. Can you see that? And it looks like I got a spot on this broom I've got to take care of there. Apparently I must have washed that off. Just want to get this mixed in good. And then I will patch that up before I pour. I probably should use a micro brush. It's just such a small area. Blow it out again. And there we have it, ready again. Alrighty, I hope I mixed up enough. If not, I can go back and mix up a little bit more. But I'm hoping that 6 ounces is enough. I'm not really sure. Alcohol bottle. That helps to cut down on the bubbles because I don't want any bubbles. So I'm just going to pour this slowly from a height and let it slowly go in itself. without overflowing. Looks like we got some mica powder going here, floating. But that happens. And again, I'm going to do the same thing with the bottom. And I'm going to move this to my heat mat. And as soon as this has cured, I will be back. And we will demold this and see how it comes out. So I shall see you shortly. Alrighty guys, it's all cured. Are you excited? Because I am. It's still just a little bit warm, but I think it's still good to take out. So we're going to do the bottom first. Just going to loosen it all up first. If I didn't say it before, my molds are all made from Let's Resin silicone rubber. Wow, look at that color. And what I used was the same coloring that I used for his snow color on his face. Isn't that pretty? Now I guess you want to see the top, right? Because I do. Yes, I do. Oh my goodness. Oh, I had a little black that mixed in with his belly, but... And there it is. The top of the box. Apparently I didn't clean up enough on the bottom, so we got a little bit of black in there, but this is the top. And it sits on the top like so. Just like that. So we have our little trinket box. Just like that. Isn't that cute? I can't help keep looking at it. Now, other than me just having to clean up the edges and stuff, it came out really clean. This will be in my eBay store. If anybody would like to purchase it, with the holidays are coming, you could actually pour this all one color and then paint the top with maybe markers. Or you could do the same as I just did with mica powder. But that is my demonstration for this video. Isn't that adorable? Absolutely adorable. Oh, that's just from mica powder floating. And I was definitely right by using the white as a back color instead of using the black. So I will be putting this mold in my eBay store, so please go check it out. I have put more inlays in the store as well, all Halloween related, but Halloween is next week, so I'm going to be starting on Christmas ones now. So please do check out my eBay store. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers that I have. And to anyone watching this that has not subscribed yet, please do. It does help out my channel a lot. And I am trying to build something here on YouTube. It doesn't cost anything. So thank you for joining me today. And I hope everyone is happy and healthy, especially with everything that's been happening with the big storms down south. I hope everyone is doing well. And anyone that's doing crafts, I hope your crafts turn out amazing. You all have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video.